Hi, my name is Mariana. I'm a biomedical engineer here at Paraliv, and I'm gonna present you a little bit about our functional prosthetics for partial finger amputees. So first of all, we need to know a little bit about this amputation. It's actually the most common amputation worldwide. 56 out of 100,000 people will suffer a finger amputation annually. Approximately 3.2% of the total population will eventually live with a partial finger amputation. And according to the Global Burden of Disease of 2019, the estimated total number of finger amputees is 250 million people. It's actually a high number, and the problem is that it is the first cause of incapacity, both temporary and of permanent disability. And this cause includes amputations caused by different factors, such as workplace injuries, traumatic accidents, or medical conditions. People born with those amputations. And well, there are several solutions that have been designed or proposed to attack this problem, and these are called finger prosthetics. The main ones are the cosmetic and functional. So the cosmetic are designed to restore natural appearance. So like if you see a hand with a cosmetic prosthetic, it looks like a normal finger. On the other hand, we have the functional, which are designed to improve grip, stability, and everyday hand use. So it's to restore the flexion and extension, the movements of the finger, and we actually specialize in functional prosthetics because we want to give back people the ability to grab objects, to take things, like to have the finger movements. So what are functional prosthetics? Well, we offer a mechanical prosthetics free of electronics designed to be fully functional and affordable. Each device is 100% custom made. I will explain later how we make the measurements for every patient. And it's manufactured with medical grade materials. This ensures proper fit, safety, and reliable performance in daily life. So what are the advantages of a functional prosthesis? First of all, the restoration of basic hand functions of grip and pinch by the flexion and extension of the fingers and of the prosthesis. Also, stump protection. Most patients tell us that they have hypersensitivity in their stump. So when using a prosthesis, you kind of have that protection for, like, I don't know, you have the prosthesis, and it it does not stop hurting, but you protect your stump. It's also a lightweight design with long-lasting durability. It's low maintenance and easy to put on. It's actually like putting on a ring. And it also gives emotional support and confidence boost. For example, we have several patients that arrive here with kind of fear to show off their hand, and once they have their prosthesis, they are just happy. They give their hand to everybody, they shake hands with everybody because that gives them that confidence boost. Well, it is functional. Our finger prosthetic is 100% custom made. We designed it to fit comfortably and securely by placing it on, as I said, like a ring. The simple and intuitive design helps you put it and take it off easily. Actually, there are patients that sleep with their prostheses because they feel like it's actually part of their body. It's comfortable, protective, adjustable, aesthetic. If you see it, it kind of looks cool, and durable because the materials are quite resistant. It has a mechanical design that supports everyday function, so it provides a reliable grip and a contact feel similar to a fingertip, combining high performance with ultra-resistant build. So as you can see here, you can use your prosthesis for everyday life activities such as a zip, or more technical ones like playing an instrument like this patient. So you can use your prostheses for whatever you want. We actually design them for what you need, your specific needs. It's waterproof, fully waterproof. You can wash your hands, shower, and use it in wet environments without worry. It's also resistant to solvents, so it can be used safely even in environments where chemical exposure is common. The key benefits of our prosthetics with their exoskeleton mechanism is that it has an improved grip and control for daily activities. It's an added protection for the residual finger and sensitive areas. It has a custom fit for comfort, stability, and security. And we also give you a personal guidance before, during, and after delivery. Before, we make several recommendations of how to prepare for using the prostheses. Also, during the process of giving it to you, we make adjustments, we hear your concerns, and after delivery, we want to know how you're feeling with your prostheses, if we have to make adjustments, if you want to change some things or you want to add some things. We're always open to suggestions. It's lightweight, a design for comfortable all-day wear. As I said, patients even sleep with it. It's designed to feel natural and comfortable for all-day use. As you can see here, patients are using them for specific tasks, fine tasks like the ones showed here. It reduces hand fatigue, especially during repetitive tasks, and it's a comfortable fit without bulk. What are our key differentiators? It's affordable compared with our competitors. It's like if you had a 90% discount of the price of our competitors, because we offer the most accessible option on the market, because we want to give this prosthesis to as much people as we can. It's also the functionality of restoring the natural finger movements. It's adjustable. We have a modular design with available replacement parts. For example, when we give you your prosthesis, we include, for example, for the ring, we include a bigger and a smaller ring, so you can adjust it in case that your stump goes bigger or smaller. Also the speed, manufacturing speed, we have a time of 15 to 20 business days. So it's actually really fast compared to other manufacturers. And we have a 1-year warranty, either if your piece broke or you need to make some adjustments, we make them without any cost. And we have 100% satisfaction. This means that if you have your prosthesis, you have used it, and you don't feel comfortable with it, we would return everything you have paid for it, because we really want you to have a prosthesis that really works for you. That's our goal. What is our prosthetics catalog? Well, we have 6 different designs depending on the amputation level. The first one is the transmedial. It's when the amputation is on the medial phalanx, and it's important to have this movement, this flexion movement. Then we have the transproximal, which is when you've lost the distal and middle phalanx, and it's important to have this movement. The partial thumb, it's when you lose the distal phalanx of the thumb. Then we have the short partial thumb. It's when you have lost both phalanxes of the thumb, and it's important to have kind of this movement. Then we have the assisted disarticulated. It's when you lose the complete finger, the 3 phalanxes. And what we do is we add a ring to the adjacent finger, so that ring controls the movement of the prosthetic finger. So if this is a prosthetic and you flex this finger, the prosthetic will mirror that movement. Then we have the transmetacarpal. I mean, we're working in another design, not the one shown in this picture, but it's when you have lost the whole phalanxes of your fingers, and is controlled by the wrist. When you flex your wrist, the fingers will flex or the hand will close, and when you extend your wrist, the fingers will open. We have several distributors. We have an international distributor network providing local access and support across multiple countries for faster service and reliable follow-up. For example, we have distributors in Italy, Poland, Spain, South America, such as Costa Rica, Colombia, Panama, several distributors here in Mexico, and in other countries we're working for having those distributors. So even though you're not from Mexico, we can help you from whatever you are. These are some examples of our prostheses. We actually have pediatric patients because the advantage of our design, that it's modular, is that the prostheses can grow with the patient. We just make adjustments to the pieces and stuff. We also give a prosthetic kit every time we deliver a prosthesis. This ensures adjustability on the long term, so it includes everything needed for a smooth start and a confident daily use. So feet and currents essentials such as screwdrivers, screws, extra parts, different pads for comfort, everything you need for using your prosthesis. Here's a little bit about our measuring process. We take some pictures in dorsal and palmar view with a measuring tape. We also measure the circumference of the phalanxes, and with all those measurements we take them from the pictures and we design the prosthesis based on your measurements, so it has a quite comfortable fit. Here are some examples of our prostheses. Some of our patients are happy patients with their prostheses, using them for different activities. For example, here are several activities that you can do with your prostheses, such as grabbing things, cooking, washing dishes, driving, playing an instrument. You can even go to the gym. And well, this is our contact in Mexico. We have several places, but as I said, we also have our distributors in other countries, so you can contact us. Here is our contact information. And well, we invite you to recommend our products, collaborate with us. If you are a finger amputee or you know somebody who is, you can give them our information. We would be happy to help, because we would like to give this medical innovation that enhances your capabilities. Thank you so much.